To set corner action for top right, to do the click and hold function in Samsung Galaxy S23 Ultra, swipe down the top of the screen and then tap setting icon. Scroll down the screen to find accessibility. Tap accessibility and then tap interaction and dexterity. Scroll down the screen. Under mouse and physical keyboard section, tap auto action after pointer stop. Under corner action section, tap top right. Scroll down the screen and then tap the gray on option next to click and hold to enable this option. When the switch turns blue, it means that this option is on. Next, you can connect a USB or Bluetooth mouse with your phone. Once done connecting, now go to the screen where you can do a click and hold function. As the example, we will use this function to open up the menu on the home screen. To do so, go to home screen. To do the click and hold function, hover and stop your mouse pointer on the top right corner of the screen, and then bring the pointer to an empty area to open up the menu of the home screen. Okay, thank you for watching. Have a nice day.